Mommy, watch what I can do. Oh, push it. Slide up. Put a slide up. Okay. Mom, watch what I can do. Let's get in line down. Time for a Billy show. I crush guys. I crush guys. Like this, Mom. Board wet. It's a water sucker. Wet. And this also a boat.
Alright, so my wife has this antique treadle sew machine that she is awesome because we can do off-grid seamstressing, sewing stuffies. That's her department. But anyways, so it's antique, built in like 1930s. Treadle, so yeah, it's got a pedal. But so I wanted to make a box to transport it so that it stays nice and firm. So here's the box, just a plywood box. But now it fits in here really nice and tight, and now I got to put a top on it, and I'm going to put some bracing in to actually hold all the legs and stuff in place so it doesn't wobble. Because when it's out of here, you can kind of see it's a little bit wobbly, and it's almost 100 years old. So anyways, working on that now. Alright, so we started packing a little bit. We got these two shelves, so Whitney really wanted. These are going to become the basically kitchen cabinets and stuff. And we got them packed full. So behind here, you can barely see it, but I have this 2x4 construction. So there's this gap. So we actually put pictures wrapped in cardboard here in the gap and actually duct taped them in, and then put the shelving on there. And the shelving's got food storage, canning jars, and then we got pillows. Just we're trying to pack every nook and cranny of this thing. Because yeah, a 16-foot and 10-foot trailer is all we're taking of all of our possessions. So we're working. We can even got a picture in here, I think. Yeah, look at that. Alright guys, Jared here. So today is exactly 1 week before we leave. I've got all these totes kind of lined up. This is how it's gonna be going on the small trailer, and I got the big trailer there. The trailer is done, got all the trim on, and we've got it mostly loaded. Let's see here. Yeah, we've been working today a lot. Just a lot of the stuff in the back is not finalized yet. We're just kind of dry running. We got to take out some of those totes there, so I'm gonna put some more stuff behind it. Just kind of see kind of what we got. And today and yesterday I got weight distribution hitches set up. And then this is our small trailer. This is going to be carrying all the totes on it. And yeah, I was working on the weight distribution hitch. And then my truck is all set up. Again, my ladders and stuff that I'm taking. It's kind of cool actually. We got the dog kennels. Then underneath it, I made storage. I made a false floor. So the dogs still have enough room. We test drove it with Martha today, which she's our big Great Pyrenees over there. Martha! There you go. We test drove today with Martha in the back of this and did fine. Did great. She's got enough room. And we still have almost 300 pounds of food storage in there actually. And then I got my gas cans set up so we have extra fuel because this truck does not get great mileage and there's places in Canada with not a whole lot of fuel. So anyways, that's what we're working on. Getting everything all set up and ready to go. Bye.
Here we go on the first test run.